Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Scarlett. I'm a digital marketer, a mother of two beautiful kids, and I'm happily married. And I want to talk to you guys a little bit about what digital marketing blueprint is, you guys. But first of all, I live on a farm. We farm for Rainbow. We do, like, let's say 500,000 chickens a month. So it's absolutely amazing. I love the farm life and everything it has in it, and what we do every single day. I just absolutely love the freedom and the silence of it all. So first of all, digital marketing blueprint, you guys. Once you purchase one of these 4 programs, my friends, you get a step-by-step blueprint that shows you exactly how to launch to profit in 7 days and how you can become successful with your online business, my friends. It's absolutely amazing. So you purchase one of these 4 programs. Let's say you purchase the $900 one. That's the highest selling one, the Legacy Builder. So once you purchase that one, you have 4 different income streams, my friends. And inside of those, that $900 one, they teach you how you can create your own community or create your own designs and digital products. So it's absolutely amazing. But if you only want to sell those 4 or do those 4, and only have 4 income streams, my friend, you can do that because you have master resale rights on all 4 programs, which is absolutely amazing because you make 100% profit from each client, which makes a huge difference because I'm in South Africa, so earning in dollars daily makes a massive impact on my family's life. And that's why we started this digital marketing program, is to give my family and ourselves a change, because we were stuck in that financial hamster wheel of life, I call it, and we wanted something different, and we found it, you guys. This is absolutely amazing, and it's super beginner friendly because it shows you step by step what you need to do and how this works and what it is we do and what digital marketing is. So you will also get access to our community. We are almost 40,000 members inside of the community, so it's absolutely amazing, and I would really love to have you part of this community, you guys, and help and guide you to passive income, which is absolutely amazing because then you'll be able to succeed in life and actually follow those dreams that you have and be able to afford that. So that is what my goal is I want to help as many families as I possibly can to reach those goals and dreams that they have, and it is possible for you, my friend. Just go to my link. I'm going to put it in my description, scarlettdailypay.com, and go check out my website and see what it is we do. You're going to get a video from me and an email that explains everything to you, my friends. I really do hope to see you guys there. It would be amazing to have you part of this community, and I would love to see you succeed in life and follow those dreams you have, my friends. Achieve your wildest dreams, because digital marketing allows that for you. It is possible to achieve the things that you love, because mindset is everything in a business like this. Not even in a business like this, but in everywhere. If you attract what you believe, my friends. And if you believe you can make a massive success from this, you will, my friends. And I'm here to guide you. Please put your question in the comments and I'll gladly assist you further. But go to my link in in my description, scarlettdailypay.com. I would gladly assist you guys. Have a great day.